Hello everybody, and welcome to day 2 in my 30-day series of trying 30 different hairstyles. So yeah, this is what we're working with today. I just feel like putting it in a bun. My silk press is overly played out, so guys, I'm not gonna do too much. I'm not even, yeah, let's just go ahead and get this started. I think I want to do a middle part bun because middle parts just look good on me. I'm sorry. So my hair is all naturally just splits down the middle because of me wearing my middle part so much. So I'm gonna do that and brush it all towards the back. Okay, so this is what the foundation is looking like. Not really super terrible. I mean, my hair is super oily at the moment because I have not washed it in a hot second, but we're gonna take Shine and Jam. I know, I like the hold that it gives my edges. I'm sorry guys, I know. So I'm gonna do this, take my little baby hairs out. Like here. Cool. This is definitely under 5-minute hairstyles, and I want us to be very careful about putting very tight ponytails and very tight buns in our hair. It's not good. And so many people have lost a lot of hair due to making the tightness of your style super tight. So do as best as you can to have like low tension. So that's why I always use Shine and Jam, because I like the hold that it gives, and then I use a hairspray so I don't have to pull it as tight to keep it as neat, if you understand what I'm saying. Okay, we have a good foundation. I'm just going to brush everything back and up because that's where I want it to go. I want it to go towards the, I'm not going to have it super high like up here. I'm going to have it like towards the back a little bit. Now you're going to start to mold where you want your ponytail. I'm thinking right here is pretty good. I'm going to take 2 ponytails because my hair is super thick. 1, 2, just go around twice. Now I'm going to go back in with my edge brush and fix up any little flyaways that I may have had that have come out. Okay, looking good. I'm gonna tighten it just a tad bit. Okay, now for the bun, just going to twist, then twist and twist around. And you can see parts of my hair sticking out because I have layers, but that is okay. That is perfectly fine. I'm going to take 1 rubber band, 1, 2, just twice, because I don't want it super tight on my head, remember? Okay, now we're going into the final perfection stage. I'm going to take some flyaways, Put it all towards the bun. And this little leave, this is what we call the kitchen. This little kitchen in the back. I'm gonna brush out, and then I'm just gonna have it be curly. So I'm gonna brush it out, and then I'm just gonna put some product there and curl it up and have it be curly just like that, just like a little curl. Same thing to the other side with the other part of my kitchen. Just have it be a curly. Okay, we're almost done. The final step is my Kenra 25 volume, what is it called? Volume spray. Even though it's not like a volume kind of esque hairstyle, this is a good hold hairspray. And that is going to lock in the style. And now we are completely finished. She's very elegant. She's very poised and graceful. We like her. Like I said, my bun is always gonna have some little pieces sticking out because I have layers in my hair. That does not personally matter to me, but if you are a perfectionist, you can go ahead and fix that. But this is the hair. I love it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Bye.